Here we are and welcome back, Gorilla Man's Garage. We're outside today because it's snowing, and it's actually snowing pretty good. We have the Fimi X8 SE 2022. We had it out a couple of days ago. A little bit of blowing, a little windy. I'll put the forecast up here. It's up to 50 clicks, so that's about 30 miles an hour. We're going to go up around Boyd Lake where we did with the, DJI Mini 5 Pro. And we're going to do this in 4K and see what it's like. It's a little gusty up there. I want to try the big bird up, so let's get this up and running, okay? Here we go. We're okay, I think. Maybe not. Okay, there we go. There we go. You have to do two of them. So we're going to keep that EV down there. We're going to go 3. There we go. Okay, we've got it at... We'll go 4K at 30, just because we got lots of room on the card, 47 gigs. Let's get this up and running. We just want to make sure we're on high here. Turn to home, everything's there. We're good. We're good. We're good. Good. Okay, we're going to go back. It's down here somewhere. There it is. Okay, we've got medium. We want high. Okay, everything else is good. There we go. Yep, we're good to go. Up we go, and okay. There it is. Okay, let's head out that way. You see that backlight? Okay, let's start that video. Okay, we're up. We've got to get up 40-50 meters anyway. 25, 35 is good enough. Okay, bring that camera down. Look at that snow, eh? Okay, let's get out there. See if we can go cine mode. What's cine? Full speed forward. Is 6. Okay, we'll go about that speed. Bring that camera up a little bit. Okay. Lake here. Full stick forward. Should be around the 6 mark. That's fast enough. That is fast anyway. Yeah. So we're just going to go around the lake and see what happens. We'll put music to it. We won't go through the whole mapping thing. We'll just show it as it is. Here we go. It's snowing. It's doing pretty good, but it's snowing. We're out there 500 meters or so. Should start to be coming back pretty soon. Here we are. Oh, it's getting gusty up there. I would only try this with this bird. I would, because it has a water resistant covering on it, and once them props start flying, it gets pretty warm, so it's not going to freeze, and we're not at minus 20 or 30 below, so it should be pretty good. Come back a little bit wet. I'll have to keep it in a dry spot for a while. It should be pretty good. Here we go. This is 4K at 30. Don't know how good it'll be because all you're going to see is white stuff, but we're going to go and see that. We'll slow it down a little bit here. we go. And then we come back home here. See the H there? Well, you don't see the H, sorry, I do. I see the H on the screen. I might put it in and out there, but you'll see the H on the screen move over to the right. A couple of seconds here. Here we go. Move forward. And we'll bring it down for a landing here. That's the winter wonderland here, my friends. Here we go. .4 meters up. There we go. And we're coming down. There we go. Looks pretty good. I thought so. Let's turn it around and bring it in for a landing. I see snow on top of that rooftop. Come back. There we go. There we go. Bring it up a little bit. Bring it. Here we go. Boom. Look at that, eh? Amazing. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell. Take care.